Little ladies, little gentlemen.
You are all the roses, the stars, and the sparkling joy of our future.
The ones who will elevate the nation.
Always be aware of your value and significance.
And work hard.
We have great expectations from you.
Glücklich 23. April, Nationale Souveränität und Tag der Kinder.
Today is your gift from Atatürk. We all love you.